Hi, this is Dr. G here at Prime Vitality, and today we have with us Goel, and she is a bodybuilder and also an entrepreneur. And she has been our patient for over 6-7 months. Initially, we did her a body type treatment, and she has amazing results. And today we just did a treatment for Morpheus Body Treatment. And this is we want to tell the people, those who are bodybuilder athletes, that sometimes, especially the women, they have to, in order to compete, get down to 3%, 4%, and 5% of the fat, which is not sustainable, and it impacts their whole reproductive system, their mental health, and everything. So, with the help of these new procedures, we can cut down that, and it can also help in those athletes not going down to that dangerous level of fat level, which is not healthy for them. So Nanette, what was your experience, and how do you recommend it to the aspiring bodybuilders and athletes?
I think that for myself, you train so hard and you train every day and you get to that limit to where you're just like, okay, there's nothing more. But it actually just kind of, for me, it was kind of like the cherry on the top. It just really did a lot for my physique, and so after even continuing to work out, it just made things look a lot more, dimensions were better.
Exactly.
I didn't feel like I had to like diet down so much. It was just kind of like a makeup. This is just like the final touch that I needed, so that I feel a little bit more encouraged to just get back in there and back on stage at that, because you can't stay in the competition body all season long.
It's very
and
tough,
this just kind of feels like, okay, I feel good about myself. I can actually go out there in a bikini and still feel like athletic, like I still have that vibe.
I know you still have that, and you're in a great shape to begin with. But it just helped, as you said, the cherry on the top, because the cellulite and that extra like last 2% of the fat, which we want to get rid of sometime, that makes such a major difference. And if we have something, we can do that and get rid of that cellulite and that extra 2%. We do not have to struggle that hard and diet so much that our mental process, our hormones, our reproductive system, everything messed up.
Exactly.
So I'm a big believer of that, and we have nowadays so many different modalities. Like I was talking to you about the Neo Sculpt Neo, which is like such a great tool for athletes, for everybody, even if the people have those who have lower back problem or those who have weak core, and it stimulates every muscles like in 20, 25, 30 minutes. You get a workout which takes you about 2 weeks of workout in one session, and that's like an extensive workout. So, and it just not take care of decrease the fat around your belly, but also stimulate those muscles to a level which is not possible for you need to be a superhuman to get that kind of thing.
For sure.
So work out like 25,000 crunches in one time, I can do it, so I think it's important for us to know that it's not just your physical health when it comes to the bodybuilding athletes, it's also your mental health. And when we are competing or cutting down and getting ready for the shows, it really affects, because there is not just the effect which happens then, but the long-term effects of that, because it messed up our hormones completely.
The endocrine system.
Endocrine system is completely gone, and then affects our neurotransmitters, our thinking process. We get on the edge, and then it's just like a never-ending process. And the good thing is that we have developed a special programs for athletes and bodybuilders, so we just help them not looking good, but to correct and implement so they can feel good from inside. And that's what it is all about, to be in the prime of your age, no matter how old you are, because age is just a number. So thank you, Nanette, for coming here.
Thank you.
And we can't wait. Next time we'll be doing some of the continual treatment. Okay? Yes. Okay. See you guys. Thank you for joining us. If you guys have any issues, any questions you want to ask about the body contouring services we are offering, about Morpheus 8 and Sculpt Neo and Xeon, do not hesitate to ask us about any of the concerns you have, whether it's your anti-aging needs, your hormones need, your peptides, anything you want to know. And also get ready for our new upcoming event, which is on May 22nd at 4 p.m. at Prime Vitality 10007 Hubner Road, Suite 302, and we'll be giving live demonstrations of AmSculpt Neo, AmFace. We'll also be giving educating the people about our different weight loss programs and how we integrate them all together by personalized goals for every individual person. And we are giving away up to $15,000 worth of products and services that day. So get ready. Don't forget to RSVP for our event. And it's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of knowledge, a lot of entertainments. See you guys then.